Jago.
Part of the 4x100 meter relay team, 11.87 seconds coming into this final.
Yeah, that's Davidson. You heard Bruce waxing her praises. Abigail Wolfe, Holy Childhood.
She ran 11:59 for a personal best just to get to this final. She is an outstanding talent and is going to deliver a special medal for Holy Childhood High School now.
Speaking of special, next to her, Lavanya Williams. She's from William Nib.
Western champion, 11.78 seconds. Excellent technique, should do extremely well.
So Williams there, set and ready. Beside her, Shemonique Hazel. She's from Hydel.
She is better known as a long jumper, a super long jumper, has gone over 6 meters, but she's in this 100-meter finals with 11:65.
Then next to her, Chevian Shim of Immaculate. She's in lane 7.
Great athlete, 11.87 seconds, should also do well in this final.
And from St. Catherine, representing Johns Road, Kasian Johnson.
Her 11:83 represents well for the school that the Prime Minister attended. Andrew Holness attended St. Catherine High School and is inside the National Stadium right now watching this race.
McCormack, Lewis, Davidson, Wolfe, Williams, Hazel, Shim and Johnson, the 8 to face the starter.
Abigail Wolfe of Holy Childhood surprised quite a few in the semis. Lavanya Williams was flipping her fingers as if saying, "There's a lot left in my tank. There is more to come." So the stage is set. The record 11.16 seconds set by Kevona Davis in 2018. She represented Edwin Allen back then. The set position. Away they go now. Clean start. Williams got a very good start. So too St. Jago's Brianna Davidson. Wolfe of Holy Childhood steps forward now. Lavanya Williams comes calling as well. Wolfe of Holy Childhood. Another fantastic performance. Cops the gold medal. Superb running by this youngster. 11.77 the flash time. Personal best in the semis. She shocked many. And in the final, 11:59, she has delivered the goods.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships. Exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.